Once again, my name is Coach Jade. I'm one of the voice coach of the Ministry of Music and Performing Arts Academy. Coach Sam, ay kung tudok ko'y dali diri. Okay. Give Coach Sam a round of applause. Pakpaki, si Regine Velasquez. And I'd like to call in Coach Princess. Please be here on stage. And so many Coach Ninja moves. All right. And then we have Coach Jailin. Join me here on stage, Coach Jailin. Dali. And also, what do we have? Okay, so these are our voice coaches. Later on, we'll introduce to you our newest coach here at the Ministry of Music and Performing Arts Academy. Coach Jailin is our stage performance coach. She's the one teaching the choreography of the kids. Please give her a round of applause from the coach. Ano ha? Dili, unsay mo gitudlo nga dance steps ba? Rising Star daw. What's the one come from? Mga tayong eskulahan nga. Ang music manidinhin. Ha? Oh, kato poker face, salute. What else, Coach? Sige. Ay, gisulti ng Rising Star, ha?
Bang, bang. And there's a lot more.
Ala, ha? Okay, so she's really working hard, so give her a round of applause, please. And also, she's also our officer in charge sa mo ang MMPA Talisay branch. So if you guys have friends in Talisay, you can definitely invite them to be part of MMPAA. And of course, I'd like to introduce to you Coach Princess. Dali, Coach, unya na siya kay special bench, Coach.
Special kid.
Special child, no no Coach.
Special child, okay.
So this is my classmate. Classmate ba na, Coach?
Kami ni Coach Joshua.
Kamo na Coach Sheila.
Silingan na siguro sa...
Akong classmate si Kuan. Napa ba na Hibilin? Wala na. Ako na lang yung taon ang kinusaran coach nga badge nga nag-eskwela sa MPA. Sino? Ha? Wala man si Jamie. So di siya ma-recognize. So Coach Princess also is our voice coach without the stage performance. And she's been with us since 2011. And she's also the part owner and the officer in charge of MNPAA Cebu. Give her a round of applause, please.
Thank you very much.
You want to say something, ma'am?
Yes, and of course the MMPA family would really like to thank the support of the parents for their kids. We salute you. Salute!
Right. And wait, there's more. Wala pa minahuman. Napajay last ani. And of course, the one and only superstar.
Yeah.
The one and only songbird of Escarpio. You know, I love this girl very much.
Girl,
Kung basig asa yun, yung impact, lupa dyan siya sabi asin. Okay, and she's been with us since when, Coach?
2014.
2014, okay. Do you want to share why you're here with MMPAA?
Gitawagan ko ninyo. Maari ka ron.
Ano din naguba imong tingog?
Oo,
Di ka
nawala
ma-share,
akong voice.
Sige.
Nawala akong voice for 3 months tungod sa acid.
Reflex. Katuning imong idol sa nagka-acid reflex.
No, it's mas kuan siya, mas mild lang.
Mas mild lang siya.
Oo,
And then,
pero
so,
mawala good siya. Pero mag-heartburn, yung sakit ng madugan, ikabuntag, sakit siya kayo, yung halingagag. Pero na-cure naman siya.
Na-cure
eventually.
Eventually. So, what did MMPA give as a maka-contribute to be able to make it better?
Technicality sa techniques.
Pagtarong, Coach.
Techniques.
Okay.
Nawala na natol ko gamay. Techniques.
Sige.
Voice. Kano pa ako kabaw sa kanang hierarchy of voice quality.
So we studied about the voice,
Yeah.
hierarchy of voice quality. That is what your students, your children would learn at the Ministry of Music and
And
Performing
now,
Arts
I
Academy.
am the owner of MMPA.
Congratulations. What about you, Coach Jailin? Coach Jailin won the Katuyagingon nga Rising Star, but what was that?
Yes, way back 2014, I was part of Rising Star. It's a competition in SM.
Rising Star Asia.
Yes.
And you won
Third.
Third.
Yeah, among the 12 finalists for the final.
Kung familiar ninyo yung Dagway, she was, you saw her on sa GMA ba to? Oh, GMA 7, so that's why. But she joined us. How did MMP help you?
As in, super duper.
Oy, hilak kay. Ikaw lang, kato lang, dili kay kang hilak.
There's a lot of changes in way of my way of singing. So like, di ba ang inyong the way when you sing as in, maguba sa inyong dagway Di ba, sir?
Sample ko
Sakto
na din
ko?
ka nang dili maguba ang tagway. Ikaw ko no coach. Katong imong high notes niya sundon daw ni coach
Sige.
Jailin. Ayaw siya nagbuta ko siya. Kanang sakto-sakto
Sakto-sakto
makaya ra
lang,
niya ba?
coach. Oh my God.
Kanang
Galing.
way guba ay.
Why ko ba ay?
Way guba ay sa now.
Oh my God. Challenge.
Tinuod ba yun na ang technique when reaching high notes? Do you agree with me? You also have a problem when you sing reaching high notes?
Oh.
Yes, daw. Also.
Aha, oo, kabalo ako na. Hindi na mo chika ani niya.
Sige mong chika dira. Good. Reaching high
No,
notes.
reaching ha.
Ah.
So nagkataon lang ko. You are my
Shine.
sun.
Oh, pwede. Shine daw ko, no? Gi-challenge ka.
I'm shining on. All because of
Oh, teka.
Wait
Ikaw
lang,
may
sayo
nakayo
lang
ano.
sayo sa ko, coach. ha?
Ay, dili de ka to.
Sige daw.
Taas sa
Please,
kayo.
abot lang niya. Kaya ni mo, coach?
Manong ako bitaw.
Wala'y cheer niya para ni Coach Jailin, kids. Sige, sige. Suwayo daw.
You make me shine, shine. You give me shine in the room.
Huwag kumain daw ko na sa now.
Shine, shine. The light that you give it, it's true.
I'm shining on. Kana.
All because of you.
Wala siya
Wala
naguba,
siya
coach.
naguba.
So, diba? Pagpakinin niyo si Coach Jailin.
My God.
So, giwan sa to ni mo,
Effort.
coach.
Ako
Ayaw
rin
sa
magubaan.
ba? Dapat sa Ministry of Music and Performing Arts Academy, that's where you will be able to learn how to reach.
Yes.
Mo nang bagol di ay karon.
Ha?
Ako na aptan guba.
Na-building ka, coach. Okay.
Guba-guba ako ng before.
Actually, ako rin mong gilingaw. Hope na lingaw mo. Pero we will pave the way to our new voice coach. Let us welcome Coach Kankan.